Captain's report, February 4th, 2531. 5 years. 5 long years. That's how long it took us to get Harvest back.
Go, go, go!
At first it was going well. Then setback after setback. Loss after loss. Made what was going to be a quick and decisive win into 5 years of hell. Of course, that's all Harvest is today. It's hell down there. But now it's ours again. Serena, status.
Standard orbit achieved. All systems normal.
Prep for pod launches, bring weapon systems online.
Expecting trouble, Captain?
Harvest may be ours again, but I don't think the Covenant appreciate that yet. Sergeant Forge, report.
Definitely plenty of bad guys down here, Captain. And they found something in the ice.
Damn it. That complicates our mission. Anders, what have you got?
Captain, scans of the northern polar regions show some interesting Covenant activity on the surface. There's some kind of structure down there.
What do you think they're looking for?
That's what we're here to find out. We're to bring Alpha Base up to operational status and take control of that site.
I'll get my equipment ready, Captain.
Lady, there's no way you're coming down here on the first burn.
Sergeant Forge, pull back to Alpha Base. I'm sending you some backup.
Roger that. Forge out.
So, nothing too difficult then?
It might be the key to this whole war, Serena. It's worth the risk.
Captain, Alpha is toast. Nothing for me to pull back to. Suggest you hold that backup for now.
We need to turn that around, Sergeant. Serena, what's our status?
Sir, we've got a lot of troops retreating from Alpha Base. If Sergeant Forge can regroup them, our numbers may be sufficient to retake the base.
Roger that. We'll round up any and all survivors and get Alpha back. Ready to roll. Ready. Let's ride. Rolling out. I'm going. We got friendlies up ahead. Let's move. Let's roll. We're pinned down over here. Let's ride. Let's move. Let's go. Moving out. You boys from Alpha? We were the first out, sir. Fall in behind me. We're taking Alpha back. Let's roll. On the way. Moving out. Rolling. I'm going. Let's roll. I'll do it. You bet. Rolling. Let's ride.
All units.
I'm going. Let's go. On the move. Let's roll. On the move. Let's go. Rolling out. Moving out. Let's roll. Moving out. On the way. I'm going. On the move. Tango, 1-4. You need to get us out of here. You got it. Ramming. Form up and follow me. Moving out. I'm going. Let's roll. I'm going. On the way. Let's move.
All units.
On the way. Moving out. Rolling out. On the move. Smash him! Knock him down. Ugh, we got grunt bits all in the grill. I'm going. Let's go. On the move. Let's go. Let's roll. Let's go. I'm going. Let's ride. Let's go. This is Tango 3-3. We're under heavy fire. Let's ride. That turret is chewing us up. Follow us, Marines. We'll get you through. Don't worry. Cavalry's here. I'm going. Rolling out. Let's go.
Well, look at that. They're trying to keep us out of our own base.
Rolling out. Rolling. On the move. Warthogs can't get through, but foot soldiers can. Get this thing down and we'll come a-running. Let's roll. You got it. Let's go.
Take care of it, no problem.
Target the power source. Running them over. Knock them down. I'm going. Let's go. Attacking. I'll do it. That thing is too strong. Use grenades. Barriers down. Let's do this, gentlemen. Open fire. That's right. Let's move. On the move. Rolling out. Let's ride. Let's hit 'em.
Air support en route, Sergeant. They'll take out the armor. The rest is yours.
Yeah. Bombs away. Knock them down. Short sword inbound. On the target. You got it.
They're on it. I got it.
Ramming.
All units.
Keep your eyes on the prize.
On the way. Knock them down. Running them over. On the move. Let's go. Let's hit them. Smash them.
All units.
Remember your training.
Well, now that was the most fun I've had all week. Spirit of Fire, this is Forge. Area clear. Situation normal. Orders?
Alpha base is ours again. Sergeant Forge, you may want to scout the area.